Hey guys, it's Mrs. Salsetta. I'm here to show you how to do your quick draw. You've already completed your quick write. Now it's time to draw and show what you know. So I'd like you to draw a picture showing kinetic energy being transformed from potential energy. So this is a cool app. It's called autodraw. So if you would start drawing something like, let's just say a flower. Then up on top, it will give me suggestions. Did you mean? So I could do maybe a butterfly sitting on a flower. And I could say, well, it has potential energy. And then I could show the butterfly moving away, going to kinetic energy. You're able to move these around, change the size. You can add text box explaining your drawing. You have shapes. You can have a regular drawing tool. You can change the size. So you guys play around with this, and I want you to show me potential energy being transformed into kinetic energy. So you could think about a dam, playing sports. You can think about waterfalls, bouncing a ball, anything that you can think of. You can be creative with it. Once you're done, it's really important that you copy the link up here, Control C, and then go back to your quick write and paste this in there.